Hello everyone. As in the previous session, we have discussed about the concept of rectification of error, and we have solved many transactions related to rectification of errors. So now in this session, we will be solving some numerical questions based on rectification of error. So here is question number 1 of NCERT, page number 217. Now according to the question, rectify the following errors. First transaction is credit sales to Mohan rupees 7,000 were not recorded. So here error is sales were made to Mohan, but this transaction was not recorded. To rectify this error, we will record this transaction in journal. So first transaction is credit sales to Mohan. Credit sales to Mohan means goods have been sold to Mohan. So journal entry for this transaction will be Mohan account debit to sales account. As we know, Mohan is a personal account, and the rule for personal account is debit the receiver. So here Mohan is receiving the good, that is why we will debit Mohan's account. Sales is treated as income. According to the nominal account rule, incomes and gains are always credited. So here the amount is 7,000. Narration for this transaction will be goods sold to Mohan were not recorded, now recorded. Now second transaction is credit purchase from Rohan rupees 9,000 were not recorded. So here goods have been purchased from Rohan on credit. So this is the error, that this transaction was not recorded. To rectify this error, we'll record this transaction. So journal entry for this transaction will be purchases account debit to Rohan account. Now purchases is treated as expense, that is why we will debit expense according to the rule of nominal account. And we have purchased the goods from Rohan, that means Rohan is the giver of the goods, so that is why we will credit Rohan's account. And the amount is 9,000. Now narration for this transaction will be goods purchased from Rohan were not recorded, now recorded. Third transaction is goods returned to Rakesh rupees 4,000 were not recorded. So here to rectify this error, we will record this entry in journal, and the entry will be Rakesh account debit to purchases return account. As we have purchased the goods from Rakesh, now we are returning the goods to him. So he is receiving the goods, that is why he is debited. Purchases return is treated as income for us, that is why it is credited. Amount is 4,000. Narration for this entry will be goods returned to Rakesh were not recorded, now recorded. Now the last transaction is goods returned from Mahesh rupees 1,000 were not recorded. So here goods has been returned from Mahesh, that means we have sold goods to Mahesh, now he is returning the goods to us. So it will be treated as sales return. So to rectify this error, we will record this transaction in journal. Entry for this transaction will be sales return account debit to Mahesh, and the amount is 1,000. Narration for this transaction will be goods returned from Mahesh were not recorded, now recorded. So this is how question based on rectification of error is solved. Now here is question number 3 of NCERT, page number 270. Now according to the question, rectify the following errors. First is credit sales to Mohan 7,000 were recorded as 7,200. So sales were made to Mohan for rupees 7,000, but it is recorded in the book as 7,200. So there is an error of 200. So now the correct entry for this transaction is Mohan account debit to sales, but here the Mohan's account is debited with 200 extra amount. So now to rectify this error, we will credit the Mohan's account here. So now entry will be sales account debit to Mohan's account, and the amount will be rupees 200. So the narration for this entry will be goods sold to Mohan of rupees 7,000 recorded as rupees 7,200 is now rectified. Now second transaction is credit purchase from Rohan 9,000 were recorded as 9,900. So here we have purchased the goods from Rohan for 9,000 and it is recorded as 9,900. So there is an error of rupees 900. So to rectify this error, we will just write this entry on opposite direction, which means the correct entry for this transaction will be purchases account debit to Rohan account. But here Rohan's account is credited with extra amount of 900. So now we will debit Rohan's account. Rohan's account debit to purchases account, and the amount is 900. Narration for this entry will be goods purchased from Rohan for rupees 9,000 recorded as 9,900 is now rectified. Now third transaction is goods returned to Rakesh rupees 4,000 were recorded as 4,040. So in this transaction also we will write the entry in opposite direction because there is an error of rupees 40. The correct entry for this transaction will be Rakesh account debit to purchases return, but here we will write in opposite direction, which means purchases return account debit to Rakesh account, and the amount is rupees 40. This was the third transaction. Narration will be goods returned to Rakesh for rupees 4,000 were recorded as 4,040 now rectified. The last transaction is goods returned from Mahesh rupees 1,000 were recorded as 1,600. So this is a case of sales return. The goods which we have sold to Mahesh, Mahesh has returned the goods to us and it is recorded with the extra amount of rupees 600. That means there is an error of rupees 600. So to rectify this error, we will write the entry on opposite direction. So sales, in the correct entry, sales return was to be debited, but to rectify the error, we will credit sales return. Last transaction will be Mahesh account debit to sales return account, and the amount will be 600. Narration for this transaction will be: goods returned from Mahesh for ₹1,000 were recorded as 1600, now rectified. So we have solved 2 questions based on rectification of error in this session. In the next session, we'll continue with some more questions. That's all for today. Thank you.